So I am really excited about this little puppy right here. So this is the Camlink 4K, and what this is designed for is to turn your digital SLR into a fully fledged webcam. So it's just over around $100, and I'll put the link in the bio. But this little thing is something I've been dying to use because now I have the perfect podcast mic, and now with this I'm going to have the perfect, I suppose, exposure and everything. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing video, as I said. So really easy box, as it says what it does in the tin. It does allow you to turn that SLR into a fully fledged camera. So we are going to unbox this. Oh, I'm actually going to have to peel over the sides here. So anyway, I had to get rid of those things. So unboxing video. This is what it will look like when you take it from the packet. So I'm just going to leave that over here, and we're going to have a little look, and this is how it is actually is shown. And you can see it has the nice instructions, pretty darn easy to set up, and that is class. It's given a little extension lead as well if need be, in case you're using it. But this little bad boy is all that we need. And now my camera has a mini HD, and I'm going to use it pretty quickly. So I'm going to go straight from the box to see how easy it is to actually put up on the actual big screen, and we're going to see. So that is cool. Bear with me 2 seconds, and I'm actually going to plug this in and show you the difference between a webcam and my Canon M50 mirrorless camera. And we're going to see how it looks. So I am following on straight from that last unboxing video straight into the Camlink here. So I said I'd like to just continue the video just so that we can see exactly what we need. So first of all, we need this, obviously, and if you bought one of these, you must have an SLR camera or some sort of external webcam that you want to use. So we're doing this. Now what you do need is you need your mini HDMI cable, and your SLR should fit it. So the normal HDMI and the mini HDMI beside it. Okay, so mini HDMI straight into the side of the camera. Let's do this live. Well, it's not really live, pre-recorded. Okay, and I have my Jobel. My Job. Here we go. I'm gonna flick this bad boy on. Okay, in 2 seconds, I'm just getting this mic set up, and I'm not sure of what software this will display under, but I am hoping that it will display under one of them. So I actually might have to switch over my webcam now. I'm going to lose a bit of sound, so I'm going to discontinue that and put it in here. But anyway, the point of this was to get your SLR onto your screen. Now I have to mess around with the manual focus on this camera just to make sure that this works correctly. And I said maybe by slotting in over here. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give it a little bit of manual focus because it's going to annoy me. You're all going to have these issues, just in FYI, in my opinion. Oh, now that is a lot more crisp. So if it's me speaking to the camera, here we go. I suppose this is the first of my SLRs, and that's okay. That was pretty easy. I didn't realize that the 4K Camlink would be that quick. But that's how I was playing around for ages. I was trying to use software to see if I could use it some different way. But no, that little Camlink was the only way I could do it. So now this is my new little camera, which is pretty cool for autofocus because, as you can see, some stuff in your house you don't want to be showing, kind of like cat litter boxes out in the hall. My fiance's cats. Okay, very cool. So what we've done is, this is still my Brio Logitech webcam, really handy, really good quality, and I think it's perfect. But with the help of this Cam Link 4K from Elgato, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm now able to use my digital SLR, which gives you that kind of more crisp focus. And as you can see, this is the effect. So I actually really like the fact stuff is blurred out in the background. It's a lot more crisp and clear. You're using that, all of that, I suppose, power that the Canon camera gives you. So I just have to get a better angle on things. So what I'll have to do is I'll actually have to get an arm for this camera. And now I have the Blue Yeti mic as well. So I'll probably be not using the headset as much. Now there's a problem. I got to figure out how to keep the Canon on for longer than a few seconds, because otherwise it seems to cut off. So that's an indefinite setting on the camera itself, but a problem for another day. So anyway, there's the 4K. I played around with things, couldn't get it to work. It's the only way to get this to work is to well, for me anyway. There's definitely cheaper versions, but I said, when it comes to high production quality and the fact that I'm recording courses at the moment, this is definitely the one that I think is so unique. So look, I put a link in the bio there to where I bought it off Amazon. It is an affiliate link, but sure, look, you'd be buying it anyway from there, to be honest. It's just so easy. Got here in the post in 2 days and it was perfect. So this gets my vote. Hope that helps everybody. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how this camera works out and how this actually adds value to some of my information-based course that I'm selling. And now I've got to get back on to find out why that keeps cutting off on the Canon. So see you later, everybody. Thanks.